What? What? Hmm?
Welcome.
What's up, vlog?
Alright, we're in the shop today. We got a few things going on. I'm actually really excited. I have a new idea. Matt's not thrilled. I have to relocate the wastegate because the oil pan, the Moroso oil pan sits out further, so I'm going out the hood. I'm going to cut this off and try to, you know, stay as close away from this as possible, but I have to reuse this and I'm going to face it up. But I have to cut this off, face it up, and then we're going to work from there. I got two 90-degree bends that will help me out, and I'm going to try to get my wastegate to actually come out, because it comes right here, exits, go under this shield that I'm going to have, and then out the hood with a little hole in the shield right here. I don't know. It's hard to explain, but maybe I'll post a picture on the video and you'll get the idea, but hopefully I can actually make it happen. But anyways, I'm going to try to hit that 90-degree, hit the 90-degree, and then to make it actually go out of the hood right here. But the first thing I have to do is cut this off, so let's start with that. Justin got a little upgrade, eh?
A little bit.
Dude, looks so much better.
So much better.
So much better. I don't know if you remember, he had that little orange. This one's a little bit wider, right, too, Justin?
It's a lot wider, yeah.
So cool. Who welded it?
His name's Dalton Frankel. He works at DNR Custom.
It looks so good. All right, Dalton's actually doing me a big favor, and I had a little sketchiness. Yeah, I had a little just rigged up electrical tape board that I had for all my switches. Now Dalton actually has the same extra stuff as what we made our side skirts out of, and he's gonna make a back plate that looks a lot nicer.
This was his plate.
This was the before.
This
yeah.
is electrical tape and plastic.
Did we make a video on this?
No, this is.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
Later, I don't know.
I think we did.
I don't think we filmed it, but I think it wasn't a video.
This is literally the OEM piece that goes here.
And I bent it, melted it,
and then put electrical tape around it to make it black.
Yeah. Alright, so Matt has been going absolutely ham. So now that we have it more like this, you can kind of see a better picture of what we're doing. Now that we have it coming out, now Matt's going to make that wrap around that first part of the S, and then another part of the S is going to come out towards the hood. But we're making progress. It's a slow progress. Matt's really taking his time and doing it right. That's just what Matt does.
Do it once, do it right.
Yeah, do it once, do it right. And then Dalton's over here. Oh, where'd it go? Getting pretty far on this back plate here. He's using some screws I've never seen. But yeah, look at his little bracket.
I ain't never seen screws like that either.
Dalt Fab. Dalton got our switchboard down, so it looks super shiny. That looks so much better than the electrical tape we had.
Yeah, way better. Cleaned it up for him, got it all nice and crystal clean.
Yeah, but so both switches look really good.
It was this.
They don't move. We got our first goal. We got plan A.
Yeah.
But
there's a lot of work left, but
this is what we got. It is mostly taped together, but we are gonna finish a few welds. We'll show you Matt's first time doing pie cuts. Obviously this is not even close to being finished, but I'm pretty proud.
there's a pipe coming out the top, so.
Yeah, right. Well, Matt finally finished the S portion of the wastegate. Looks really good. We kind of got carried away with pie cuts.
I'll bet.
It was
looks a lot better.
Yeah, and it was Matt's first time, and I give him total credit. This looks really good. Obviously, it's not done. It still has to get welded completely, but it's getting tacked right now, and then one day we'll get it welded, and I think it's gonna do really good, and it's gonna look really sweet. I'm super stoked on it. What? Oh yeah, and Matt's like, you wanna?
Made a teardrop.
Dude. How good does that look?
Bro,
I'm obsessed, dude.
I think that height is pretty good too.
Well, don't forget, Matt, this. Yeah, I'm super stoked on it. This is really cool for like. We made the splitter, so we made the bung. It didn't go so hot. We made the splitter mount. It works like 90%. It still needs a bolt, but once we get once I mount it the correct way, it'll work perfectly. And then Matt, this wastegate is just a good third, right?
For the first time, I'm all right with it.
Yeah, right.
It's not the greatest.
We don't even, but we can't judge that until it's tigged.
Yeah, until it's all welded.
Yeah, until it's all welded, we don't know what it looks like. Are you gonna tack the tip on it with the
Yeah, no, we're gonna finish.
drop? Okay, so Matt's gonna keep working, welding up, tacking up, and I'll show you when we're all done, but unfortunately on another day we will TIG the whole thing together. Or maybe even buy one.
Yeah, we might buy a welder. We don't know. We'll see.
So cool, bro. Alright, so I'm probably an hour into grinding this thing. I have not realized, every step I've taken, like the fab process, I don't realize how long it takes until I actually do it. So it's a big learning curve, but right now I kind of grinded enough. I'm trying to get these as smooth as possible, let it focus right there. So I'm trying to get it looking like that all over, but this is one of our biggest gaps right here. And I'm gonna try to heat it up and massage it so it's a cleaner clearance. So it is my first time massaging metal like this. I saw Matt do it and he did a pretty good job and it looked pretty self-explanatory and just take it easy and stuff, but I'm gonna try it myself. So I'm not sure if there's much of a better way to do it or I did the best way. I just heated up with the torch, got it pretty much red hot, and kind of just tapped it along, and the clearance is definitely better. I don't know if I can get it more, just because whenever I started hitting this side at this point, this side would start to like pop out, and same with the other side. So I got it a lot better, 100% better. I don't know if you can tell so much in the camera, but it's way better. So I'm gonna let it cool down because it is blazing hot right now, and then play with it and see if I like it or see if I think I can do better. Now that I can get a better look at it, this thing's way better. This was our biggest gap right here. This is the one I worked in. It was huge. I didn't realize how big it was until I looked at like our second biggest one up here, and now this one looks massive compared to the other one I fixed. So now I'm gonna do that same strategy up here. This one I'm gonna be a little more careful with just because like it's less strong, just because it's more on the end of it, but this gap is pretty big. Alright guys, I did enough massaging and, you know, shaping and stuff without Matt. I don't really want to go too far because Matt might have a different opinion than I do and Matt knows more. So I did a lot of massaging. So now I have this little piece that one of the welds broke, so it kind of shakes a little bit. So I'm actually going to re-tack it. So I'm actually going to TIG it just for the practice, and why not, and it's gonna be kind of fun. I practiced 2 days with Matt last week, and this is my third time, so I'm gonna practice some on this and then try to just do a tack on this just to hold it in place so I can move it. And you know, I'm really enjoying the whole welding thing. The fabrication is a lot of fun to me because like it's the patience game, and it's really like you got focus on it. It's really fun to me, so I'm really enjoying it, having a blast. Let's get started. So I was told 45-degree angle, and then, you know, get this as low as possible and just kind of drop it in. Dude, not bad. I don't know if I got just like the jitters and I'm doing good, but I gotta show you guys. So this was just my practice with no filler rod, and this was just my weld with a filler rod. So that looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So I think I'm just gonna move on to this. Alright, I got that little gobber on there, so it's good enough. It will hold. It's strong enough to move around now and pick up and stuff and not worry about. It's not the best weld, I'm not gonna lie. It's not the best weld I've done, but now I'm just gonna use the rest of this filler rod I have right here and just practice more, because practice makes the best. I mean, you just need seat time. I decided to give it another shot because I wasn't happy with my work. I'm not walking away from it. Alright, that's better. That's better than how it was. That's way stronger and just all around better. I'm happy with that. I can actually put it on the car. I just was not happy with how I did it before, and I was just walking away from it. Alright guys, I don't know if I should be this hyped on this wastegate, but I am so stoked on this thing. Look at it, dude. That's sick. We made that out of nothing. That's so cool. Give it a look from the top. We do have some more clearancing things that we have to do, but that was the look. And then, hold on, I even got this shield that's gonna go right here, and then you can actually see where we're thinking about cutting out right here. A really clean cut just to go around the wastegate. So we're gonna have a little hole, or a little cut right here that'll be super clean. It'll go around, and then it's got the YouTube channel. That's cool. So I'm pretty stoked on this. I'm not pretty, I'm really stoked on this, but now I'm gonna finish out the day, finish that filler rod, and just keep practicing TIG welding just to be consistent. Alright, not bad. This isn't too bad. I'm pretty proud of that. I mean, I glued it together, that's for sure. If you can see what I'm doing and like can give me tips in the comments, please do, because I'm obviously not perfect, and I know like people can read what I'm doing through the welds, that how they look and stuff. So if you know what I'm doing wrong, just leave a comment. I think I'm just like, I just feel like my filler rod's not adding, and I'm just like trying to like move it around. I don't know. But if you can tell what I'm doing wrong, then please comment and tell me. But that's pretty good for me, honestly. Alright guys, not too bad. That's my second run. I'm getting pretty consistent. Obviously I need a ton more work, but I'm really enjoying this, and I know I'm going to spend more time doing it. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys are enjoying this wastegate slash like fabrication video, because I'm really enjoying it. I'm sorry I didn't upload last week. My sister did actually get married, so congratulations to her. But hit that like button, comment down below if I'm doing something wrong that you can tell. Hit that subscribe button. Love you guys. See ya.